Hey guys, this is part two, day two of our King David story. This is found in 1 Samuel 18, 1 through 5, and then 1 Samuel 20, 13 through 17, as well as 2 Samuel 1, 1 through 4, and then chapter 9, verses 1 through 13. All right, so remember we've been talking about David, who was a mighty shepherd. And he was also a mighty warrior who loved to worship. He was a worshiper as well. And so David was the brave warrior who was a young boy, but a brave warrior who fought Goliath. He knew that God would help him to defeat Goliath. And so he became a very important person in Israel after he stepped out and was brave and trusted God to defeat Goliath. The king during that time, King Saul, could often be grumpy. And so he would ask David to come play his harp for him to calm him down. The king had a son, Jonathan, and he and David became the best of friends. They promised that they would be buddies forever. One day the prophet came to David's house and he anointed his head with oil and told him that God had chosen him to be the next king of Israel. When King Saul heard about David being anointed, he was very, very angry. He wanted his own son, Jonathan, to be king. And plus, David was very popular because he had killed Goliath. And King Saul was very jealous. So King Saul was not happy when he heard that Samuel the prophet had anointed David to be the next king. But guess what? Jonathan, David's best buddy and King Saul's friend, he heard that David had been anointed to be king, and he was so happy for him. He knew that God had a plan for David's life and that he would make a great king. Think about that. When something great happens for one of your friends, are you happy or are you jealous? When our friends or other people that we know are blessed, we have to be happy for them. And that's what Jonathan did. He was happy for David. And so King Saul's heart was very mean. He even decided to chase David away so that he could stop him from being king. Poor David. David had to run and hide from the mean King Saul for years. He even had to hide in caves. Oh, that is so sad.